If you're looking to save money while you spend, this is for you. We're reviewing the best cashback credit cards in 2025 and helping you pick the right one. Let's dive into the top contenders. First, Chase Freedom Flexed. It has an up to 5% cashback on rotating categories like gas, groceries, or travel, and a 1% base rate on all purchases. It has no annual fee and has strong bonus offers for new users. Second, Citi Custom Cash. This one automatically gives you 5% cash back on your top spending category every month. No need to activate anything. Perfect if you consistently spend in one area like dining or gas. Third, Discover It Cashback. It has a 5% back in rotating categories and unlimited cashback match in your first year. It has no annual fee and is great for students or first-time card holders. Fourth, Apple Card, which is for iPhone users. It has 3% cashback on Apple purchases and partner brands like Uber, Walgreens, and more. It has daily cash gets added instantly. You don't have to wait. It has seamless integration with Apple Wallet. How do you choose? Ask yourself, where do you spend the most? If you love maximizing categories, choose Chase or Discover. If you want a card that adjusts to your lifestyle, go for Citi Custom Cash. But if you're in the Apple ecosystem, Apple Card is a smooth fit. Also, don't forget to consider interest rates, annual fees, and whether you'll carry a balance.